Hi. Today I have this clock for you guys. It's a Perel Tools. I know how it's pronounced. And here's the key. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 7 discs. And on this side, I think you can see it. It's Perel Tools. It's pretty shiny one, and a bit rusty, but lock is working very nice. I doubted that it's a hardened shackle. I think this is a Chinese one, but yeah, let's try picking this one. I will try to mount like this, and I will use, okay, give me a second. I think this is going to work, and I will use this disc tool with a rear tensioning. This is from, because I broke my usual one. This is from my Ugly Classic, and this is the one that I made. Come on, focus. The tip is completely modified, so it's going to fit this one and some other disc locks. Let me rotate all the disc clockwise. Sorry. As you can see, some rust there, and let me put it like that. I'll try to do a different, and now, because this is really rotating the tension tool, I need to find the last disc. So yeah, I find the last disc, so let's start picking it. Come on, yeah, now I'm aligned. So one is good, 2, yeah, it's a bit hard for me to, let me tension it from the proper, yeah, I think now I'm good. 1, 2, nothing, feel set, 3, set, 4, set, 5, I think set, this 5 and 6, and we're open. That's how it is. That's how easy it is to pick this Chinese disc. Oh, I need to close it first. Give me a second. Chinese disc detainer locks, and because they are without false gates, without any security features, and that's how easy it is to pick this one. So that's the difference between the Chinese disc lock and Ugly Classic. So yeah, it is what it is. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.